Hello crystal lovers, today I want to share with you this vitality grid. This vitality grid includes one centerpiece carnelian tumble and 5 beautiful clear quartz points. It also includes the instructions, how to set up and how to activate your grid, and more about the grid over here. Also remember, it's a link below. Then you can click and see more of how to set up your grid. For now, let me show you a little bit how to do it. We put the carnelian piece, look at this, beautiful, with that orange, right on the center. And we will put these beautiful points. Remember to set up your grid in an area where being unlikely to be disturbed. And while activating your grid, concentrate and hold the intention in your mind. We start from the center to the point, connect, center, 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 to the point, connect, and center. These grids are 15% off. Make sure to click the link below for more information. Hope you enjoy.